Best resources for teaching interior design concepts. Whether you're a design educator or a student looking to self-teach, knowing where to find reliable resources is crucial. Fortunately, there's a wealth of material available online to support learning in interior design. For theory, websites like Canva Design School, ArchDaily, and even Pinterest can spark ideas and explain concepts like color theory, layout and lighting. But to take learning beyond theory, platforms like Homestyler make a world of difference. Instructors can use Homestyler to demonstrate live design exercises, show layout changes in real time, or create virtual classroom tasks. Students benefit by getting hands-on experience, building and rendering their own projects. Homestyler's virtual walkthrough feature is perfect for teaching spatial flow. You can simulate how a person would move through a space, which helps in explaining zoning, balance, and functionality. Students can experiment with real-world elements, furniture, materials, and light sources without any technical barriers. All you need is a browser and a free account. The link to Homestyler is in the description. Use it to introduce interactive design to your classroom or study session. It's engaging, visual, and perfect for both in-person and remote teaching environments.